These potatoes will become millions of chips. But how?
It starts underground.
Machines do it fast.
Harvest time. Thousands per hour.
Only the best survive.
Quality check begins.
Perfect size matters.
Now to the factory.
This is a high-speed journey.
No delays allowed.
Time is everything.
Destination near.
There it is.
Welcome inside.
Huge operation.
Let's begin.
Precision Logistics.
Mass production.
Step 1. Cleaning.
Power wash!
Every speck removed.
Spinning clean. Super fresh.
Waste removed.
Now spotless.
Next stage. Automation rules. Massive scale. Peeling begins. Fast and precise. Nothing wasted.
Perfect surface.
Now slicing.
Sharp precision.
Perfect thickness.
Thousands per second.
Extra clean.
Light and thin. Removing moisture. Heat control.
Even drying. Here we go. Hot oil. This is the magic. Whoa. Look at that.
Fresh chips coming out.
Still hot.
Even distribution. Line is running.
Air cooling started.
No overlap.
Cooling in progress. Natural movement. Consistent flow. Next stage. Removing heat.
Temperature dropping.
Controlled movement. Uniform layout.
Cooling complete.
Ready for flavor. This is the exact moment when a simple potato turns into a crispy, golden chip.
And now, the real magic begins. A flakent, a burst of flavor. Every chip gets perfectly coated, delivering flavor in every bite. Thousands of chips spinning together. Covered in bold, irresistible flavors. From cheesy, to spicy, to BBQ. Every chip is crafted to perfection. Now they move to the next stage.
Still hot, still fresh.
Golden, crispy, and ready.
Each chip perfectly prepared.
That crunch you love starts here.
Precision in every movement. The perfect golden color. Light, crispy, and delicious.
Only the best chips make it through.
Moving fast through the system. Now comes quality control.
Anything less than perfect gets removed.
Only perfection moves ahead.
Each pack gets the perfect amount.
No more, no less.
Filled in milliseconds.
Packs are created instantly.
Sealed tight for freshness.
Air keeps them safe and crispy.
Now they're ready to go. Thousands of packs every minute.
Machines handle everything.
Locked-in flavor. Packed into large boxes. Every pack is tracked. Final human check.
Sealed and secured. Cured. Stacked for transport.
Ready to move out.
Millions of chips in one place.
Waiting for distribution.
Loaded onto massive trucks.
And now the journey begins.
Traveling miles every day.
Heading across cities. Packs are created instantly.
And even bigger journeys begin. Some go by air. Through storms and waves. Across oceans. Flying across continents. No distance is too far. From one potato to the whole world. Available everywhere.
Now in your local store. Picked by millions daily.
Shared with friends and family.
Loved worldwide.
Crispy in every bite. That perfect crunch.
One simple snack.
With an incredible journey.